Well. Hello there, guys. What's going on, Yush? How you doing, Vladdy, Ginger? As you guys can see, I'm watching the Amazon reaction to earnings right now. Does not look good whatsoever. 34.50 right now. Let's see if they can buy the dip and open up a little bit higher. But like I told you guys all day today, there's a very good chance Amazon goes down after earnings. Why? Because all of big tech has been struggling this week. Despite solid earnings, Facebook gave bad guidance, Apple gave no guidance, Google barely held its move up. It was very obvious to me that this market's going in the gutter. So I loaded fucking QQQ puts for August, even though it looks bullish. It's very hard. I very rarely play counter trend, but when I have a hunch that something's going to happen, I will play counter trend because I've been around long enough to play counter trend. Let's see if, like right now it's just been 5 minutes since they released their earnings, but it's not looking good at all. Amazon's at 34.30 right now, which is below the previous breakout. If we open up here, we just gave up 2 months of gains. So that's why I told you guys not to freaking play earnings. Anything is possible. Let's see in the morning. Who knows, man? In the morning we could wake up and Amazon could be at 4,000. So there's still nothing confirmed, but right now it does not look good at all. Let's see if this guy, like 34.30 is kind of hard to believe for me. I don't know. Did they miss earnings, Ricky? They didn't say anything yet? Bezos seen as his company was fucking missing earnings, so he left on top. You know?
Revenues were down.
Alright, so I'll dig into the earnings and send it in the premium chat a little later tonight. My QQQ puts will print Harmon, you already know. Why do I take puts? To make money. Alright, so here we go. SPY, pretty much nothing burger all day. I took another nap today, it was fantastic. SPY, we got the long-term daily uptrend still intact. Still not at the top of the channel, but we were struggling to make a new all-time high today. See a lot of profit taking on top there. Just in my eyes, my opinion, why did I take QQ? Oh my god, look at QQQ after hours. Look at that dump. We got 360 puts for 4 weeks out. We're already down to 365. Amazon missed freaking revenue, bro. Wow. Unbelievable, right? Welcome to the stock market. Here we go. QQQ, big dump after hours. My 360 puts will probably be in the money tomorrow if Amazon opens down here. Got 360 puts for 3 weeks out. Those are going to be probably a double tomorrow morning if we open up like this. And you know what I do on puts. So other than that, QQQ, why did I pick 360? It's because the previous low on the daily is 360. So if we lose this 360 level, we could go into weekly consolidation. If we go into weekly consolidation, the next level down is 313.65. Yes, you heard me right. 313.65. If we go into weekly consolidation, that is the must-hold level. These two lows right here and this big-ass volume shelf right here. So if we go into daily consolidation on QQQ, look for a weekly consolidation. Anything above 313 will keep us in a weekly uptrend. But again, those QQ puts, oh my god, I'm just salivating at the mouth thinking about them. God damn, we can be in the money at open tomorrow. Taking out pre-market lows soon. Okay, let's move on. Let's not get too excited. XLF, same kind of day as SPY. Pretty boring. Nothing really to do. Again, we're still in that bigger equilibrium that I talk about every day, 37 to 35. As long as we're in that range, there's no play on XLF unless you're scalping. So move on to the next. IWM. If QQQ collapses tomorrow and takes the rest of the market with it, because if QQQ collapses, SPY will go down. If XLF holds us up, then it holds us up, then IWM will stay up. But if QQQ goes down, SPY goes down, and XLF goes down, IWM will come down too, and we still might get paid on those IWM puts for tomorrow. And if not, I'll probably roll them out. I'm bearish. I told you guys today I'm bearish. There's no more good news that's left to tell the market. What's left to tell the market? All I see is bad news on the horizon, so that's just me. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. You guys know it. But I'm usually right. Here goes SE. Beautiful plays today. Why did I not do anything today? I have Nokia on there, Dinesh, don't worry. So let's just go over some of the plays that we made today. This morning, all I literally did this morning was I just sold a bunch of stuff that I was already in for profits, and then I went and I took a pretty long nap because there wasn't much going on today, so I didn't want to overtrade. I had a great day today. I didn't want to give any of that money back, so what did I do? I had actually 3 layers of SE lottos. C limited, I had 3 layers, 277.5s, I had the 280s, and I had the 285s. All of them I sold for over 200%. And after that, I love this stock. Like SE is, you guys know I have heavy equity in my retirement account from around $100. I've been playing call options on it the whole ride up, and I've just nailed it almost every single time. So I love SE. That's why I took 3 layers. I didn't call out all 3 layers in Discord because I thought you guys would probably call me nuts. I did call out 2 layers. If you followed me, I know Bookie got paid big. I know a couple other people. Yash got paid big. Congrats to you guys, and we will continue to murder SE in the future. But for right now, I am bearish, like I told you guys. So SE, I'm not going to touch it anymore for a while. T-Doc, I'm not going to touch it for a while. T-Doc, I told you guys 155s last Friday. It got up to 156, but the earnings sucked out the premium in those calls. If you jumped in other calls, congratulations. Those were all 400, 500%. Zoom called out in the room at 365. I know me and Stonktions were all over this one at 365. We gave you a target of 380. He was spot on. I mean, great trade. Another 200%er, almost. I think I got 200%. Almost 200% on Zoom. And just another great trade. We got continuation today. It actually went to 396 today. We called it out 365. So 30-point move in about 3 days. You don't get much more than that. Let's see if we can get continuation tomorrow. Zoom is one that I will be watching in the future just because of COVID. If COVID comes back, well, it did come back, but if it starts getting in favor again, these names will run. ZM. So Baba with some continuation today. That's always good to see. I told you guys when we get daily oversold, it's very rare, so we will get a big bounce. Let's see if the bounce is for real or not. For me, if the bounce is real, the gap to 203 will be filled, 203.50, and then there's another gap all the way to 212. So if we go up to if we pass through this gap right here to 203.50, next gap fill is at 212. That's when I know the move is real. So we're back in the wedge almost. We did not close back in my falling wedge. Again, I told you guys watch this weekly falling wedge on Baba. This is one of my favorite patterns. Why is it my favorite pattern? These falling wedges get humongous follow through. So this was my trade of the year last year, probably JWN. I had over 1,000 contracts on this back when it happened. This is a weekly chart falling wedge. I bought it at 1190. It went from 1190 and the high was 46.45. That's almost 4 bags on equity. So I had calls. You can imagine how much I made on that one. That was like a fucking year maker trade. So watch Baba for the same type of setup. It is the same type of setup. We did break the wedge to the downside. If we close this week, so tomorrow, if we close above 202 on Baba, I will take some further out for the falling wedge play, maybe a month or 2 out, and we'll see what happens. But right now, China looks strong. It looks like they're buying it again. They're not as scared anymore. I mean, what else is the government going to do? Start killing their CEOs? UPST, very nice day in the morning. Gave some back of that gains. But again, I'm not looking for these little 5% days. I'm looking for this weekly candle right here. This 116%, this 50% candle. This, you know what I mean? Like, I want that big move. And right now, the level that we need to break is 125. If we go over if we close over 125, this thing can absolutely rocket, man. Like, there's a big volume shelf, as you guys see right here. Look how many days we've been closing underneath there. If we close above 125, this one's going to the moon. So I'm watching, in my opinion. UPS, this is not financial advice. I don't know anything. I don't have any licenses. Neo. So we did not get the close that we wanted. Nice action today, not bad. I wanted the close above 43.89 like I told you guys because that's where the moving average is. Now the moving average is at 43.71. So any close above 43.71, I'm happy. We still have 3 weeks on these. I'm not worried at all. SMFR, there used to be CMLF. This is a great equity play, solid company. I think this one is a 10-bagger in a few years, so I'm going to be holding this one long term. Melly was a play on Amazon earnings, looks great. I mean, just Looks like a weekly could be an inverse. Hold on. Yep, weekly inverse, head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, head. Might need another dip before we rip, or we might just go right through it. So this is a very nice chart, in my opinion, on Melly on the weekly. The level we're watching is 1649. So 1650. Through 1650, Melly can go back to all-time highs. Keep an eye on Melly. Great company, Mercado Libre. I'm in Mexico. A lot of people use it. They're starting to do Mercado Libre Pay as well. So that's the debit machines and stuff. So we got Walmart. Let's see pins. What is pins? Oh, ES. I just wanted to show you on ES. I showed you this morning. There was very important level at 44.20 and 44.25. That would signal my temporary top, in my opinion. That's why I started taking shorts and turning bearish. Because, look, I even wrote this like 3 days ago. Top is in, suckers. So that's just my opinion. Again, we could rip another 100 points. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Educated guess, call it. Pins. Pinterest is down. Holy shit. Pinterest is down 15% on earnings. So goodbye market. Amazon crushed. Pinterest crushed. QQQ smoked. God damn, I turned into a bear at the right time. Okay. Let's move into Tesla here. Tesla had a daily breakout today. Tesla actually looks great. So this is what I was watching on Tesla. I took it from the previous pivot point, which is here. This was a false breakout on low volume. False breakout, low volume. So I didn't include these candles in here. And this is just a clean daily wedge here. Clean daily support here. And today we got a breakout and we actually closed above. So let's see if we can get follow through on Tesla tomorrow. There's a big volume shelf at 678. So through 678, this one can really get going. Let's see if we can swing trade it here. I think Tesla is going today because people are anticipating that there's going to be electric vehicle credits in the infrastructure bill. Again, just a guess. I like to tell you guys my guesses because I know a lot. And yeah, Nokia. Let's go Nokia. So Tesla looks great. Like I told you, 678 is a key level. There's a lot of volume up here around 678 all the way to 700. So it's going to be very slow digesting move through 678 to 700 if we do get through. If we get through 700, there's thin air up here. We can really rip. We can even go back to all-time highs. Let's do Walmart, and then I'll do Nokia, and then I'm out of here because today was boring and I'm tired. Walmart. What is Walmart doing? Okay, so TradingView doesn't want to show me what Walmart is doing. Let's check on my app. Why do I pay for TradingView if it doesn't even show me aftermarket? What the hell? Walmart's down $1. You guys chill. Go ask your mom for that dollar. Relax. Walmart's fine. Nokia. Nokia close above $6. Solid. That's all I wanted to see was a close above $6. Daily looks set up to rip. Weekly looks set up to rip. Monthly looks set up to rip. Why do I say that? Look at this. Big move. Consolidation. Big move. Consolidation. Big move. Consolidation. Big move. Consolidation. Big move. And we have till August 20th. So wait for the consolidation and rip. Let's see what happens. The weekly chart set up, broken out. Look at this channel. Oh my. Weekly. Wow. When have you guys seen a chart like this? Amazing. So clean. Such a clean breakout on nice volume. Monthly. Wow. Look at this, bro. How could you not love this chart? This is amazing breakout. Nokia might even roll out into leaps, man. Nokia's coming back from the dead. Everyone's going to buy those snake phones again. So again, everyone, I told you guys not to get too bullish. I told you guys. If you listened, congratulations. If you didn't listen, you kind of deserved it. QQQ's already 364. I got 360 puts. We're all going to get paid tomorrow. You know how we do at My Stock Life. Thank you guys for attending. I'll see you tomorrow.